So, you're working on an assignment that requires recently published, peer-reviewed journal articles. Finding articles at Clemson Library starts at the quick search box on the library website. Let's say you're writing a paper on mental health and physical appearance. In the search box, you can get started with body dysmorphia as keywords to find articles on the subject. Again, we're looking for recently published, peer-reviewed articles. The filters on the left include an option for peer-reviewed journals under availability, and the date range filter allows you to customize the results based on a publication date range. With our results more manageable, sign into your library account to ensure you can access and request any articles you need from the list. Take some time to review the results, and when you find one you like, you can click on the title to view the full item record. This includes important information like location, availability, and several citation generators. Most articles listed here will be available as electronic resources. Find the View Online section to access the full text of the article, or click the Add This Item pin to save for later. If it turns out that we don't have the full text, click the floating chat box in the bottom right to ask a librarian for help. Searching the library catalog is a great place to start finding articles, but we also subscribe to specialty databases that fit all of our subject areas. For information about these databases, find your subject's research guide at the library's website. Consider these steps on your next search, and go Tigers!